Okay, so now let me deposit some saber into the vault of Friktion. Click connect wallet, continue. For this, you'll need to have a Solana wallet. That's the ledger, the phantom, the soul flare, and the solid. Let's click on phantom. You can check some YouTube video on how to create a phantom wallet if you don't have. Already I deposited some saber. You'll see the balance of the asset here. Here too. You can see I deposited 875 saber. Now let's deposit. Click deposit. See that you're on the deposited tab. I'll click on the max. So I'll be depositing 829 saber. Click on deposit. Let's approve the transaction. Click on approve. Okay, so I deposited 829 saber. It popped over here. Click withdraw and withdraw how much you want to withdraw. So in this case I'll not be withdrawing, but if you want to withdraw, here's the way you can withdraw too. Okay, so I've deposited total 175 saber. Here you can check my portfolio on the Friktion platform. So total I've deposited 1700 saber. Okay, so now 829 saber of mine what I deposited now is still pending till the next epoch, which will begin within 4 days, 18 hours, 32 minutes, 46 seconds. You can check up here. The next epoch will be here within 4 days, 18 hours, 32 minutes. To get the high APY, check this video. You'll get to know about the strategy in which Friktion uses in more depth. Check this video.